How to list all installed packages and their versions in Python? Is there a way in Python to list all installed packages and their versions? I know I can go inside python/lib/side packages and see what files and directories exist, but I find this very awkward. What I'm looking for something that is similar to npm list I npm ls.
If you have pip install and you want to see what packages have been installed with your installer tools, you can simply call this. It will also include version numbers for the installed packages. Update. Pip has been updated to also produce the same output as pip freeze by calling. Note. The output from pip list is formatted differently, so if you have some shell script that parses the output, maybe to grab the version number of freeze and want to change your script to call list, you'll need to change your parsing code.
Help module should do it for you. In IPython.
If you want to get information about your installed Python distributions and don't want to use your CMD console or terminal for it, but rather through Python code, you can use the following code, tested with Python 3.4. The pip.get_installed_distributions local underscore only equals true function call returns an iterable, and because of the for loop and the print function, the elements contained in the iterable are printed out separated by new line characters, \n. The result will, depending on your installed distributions, look something like this.
My take.